Hey there, Vanagon addicts. It's Ken Wilford here at Vanagon, and today I wanted to talk about putting in our new oxygen sensor wiring. Okay, so say you're having that problem with the oxygen sensor where it's causing your car to run rough and flood and that kind of thing. You bought the oxygen sensor repair kit from us and you want to know how to install it. So I've got this harness out. It's in a vise here, but you can also do this in the car if you want to. First thing you want to do is push this boot back as far as you can go, at least this far, a couple inches, maybe even farther. Okay, you'll see it's normally like in this position. You want to push it down out of the way. Then there's a little Phillips head right here. It's really small. It's like this little tiny one here. You can just remove that, okay, out of the plug. Then you start pushing down on the plug and it will reveal its secrets. Okay, so you push this thing down. Like I said, if you can get this boot pushed down even more, it will give you even more access. Basically you want to see, okay, the back side here. So once you're exposing the back side, okay, you want to look at pin number 2, which is going to be this green wire right here. You can see, okay, that's pin number 2. If you are in a bind, let me just take a look here. There is numbers on here. Actually, that's pin 25. I'm sorry. Don't listen to me on that. So pin number 2 must be, yeah, it's on this side. This one right here. So you see, they actually are numbered. Okay, so don't just go by me. Actually, use your brain. Read the numbers. So pin number 2 is this green one right here. Okay. Now we're going to try to release it out of here. I actually have this special tool right here that's supposed to do it. You can also most likely use like a flat screwdriver from a eyeglass kit, and we're going to try to do that, and I will be back in just a moment.